Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change WhatsApp profile picture in an Android phone. If you're using an Android phone and now you want to change your WhatsApp profile picture, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your WhatsApp app and here just tap on three dots in the top right corner, then tap on settings and here you must have to tap on your profile, then tap on this icon or tap on edit icon. Here you have four options. The first is you just have to open camera and click an image from your camera if you want. Here's the second option. Just tap on gallery, select an image from your gallery, and from here you can easily create an avatar if you want. And here's your images. Just tap on it and you will get different images. You can easily get that. If you want to create your own image with the help of AI, just describe your image here. Just tap on an image and then it will create it for you. If you want to choose that, you can easily select that here. Just tap on this turn icon and it will set your profile photo. So in this way you can easily change your WhatsApp profile picture on any Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.